Hello everyone. Today we're going to work on our Montessori grammar, and we're going to focus on one particular part of speech, but we're going to use others to help us out. So we're going to try to make this as fun as we can. All right? So this morning I'm going to introduce you to the article, and here it is represented by a small light blue triangle. This is our Montessori representation of the article. And the article is an introducing word, and it's easy to remember because there are only three articles: the a, the an, and the. So remember those. We're coming back to it. We're also going to be using the noun, that big, solid, black triangle in Montessori grammar. And the noun, as we all know, represents name, people, places, things, emotions, and so on. It's really big and solid in Montessori grammar. But before we introduce the other part of speech that we are going to be focused on, let me write something for you. I'm going to rip my paper. You can do this at home because you have everything you need. And I'm going to write, I'm going to say to you, can you bring me the book? Please bring me the book. So you bring a book over, and I can say, not that book. No, that's not the book I wanted. Can you bring me the book? And you bring me over another book. This time you brought me a composition book. And I said, no. You brought me the wrong book again. I'm not talking about that book. So you go away and you come back with a math book. And I say again, no. That's not the book I had in mind. So you look at me and you say, but I don't know what book you want. And I say, something is missing. I needed to give you more information so that you can know which book it is I wanted. And so I realized that the book will not necessarily tell the person we're speaking with what it is that we really want. So we need to be a little bit more precise. And that is when we introduce the adjective into our sentence. Now, an adjective is a describing word, and it's represented by a medium-sized dark blue triangle. So we have now completed the noun family. The noun family is made up of the article, the noun, and the adjective. This is the noun family, that big family that walks around hand in hand and makes sentences that make sense for us to follow. So we have now introduced our adjectives. So now we say to our friends, and let's get another piece of paper, and we say to our friends, bring me the blue book with writing on it. Bring me the blue book with writing on it. And immediately we figure out which book it is that we needed to bring. Immediately we get a better idea of what it is. that we are being asked for. Bring me the red marker. So we know it's this marker. Bring me a marker. Would you like this marker? No. I wanted a marker. But this is a marker. Oh, I see what's going on. I would like the red marker. So we have our describing word. So we know that our red marker is all we need to look for. So adjectives make it so much easier for us to be able to tell someone what something looks like. It tells, we can use describing words for ourselves. If we've lost something, we would be able to tell everyone something about it using a describing word, and they would be able to find it so much easier than saying, I lost